Hello everyone. My name is Ivan, aka Aluminium. I have been trading for more than 10 years now. For 5 years, I've been working as portfolio manager in the portfolio management department of Deutsche Bank. My specialization is capital management using instruments, currencies, and derivatives. After I got acquainted with cryptocurrencies in 2017, I moved to one of the now very famous cryptocurrency funds and have worked there as a trader for almost 4 years. I mastered trading on this not a simple instrument. I started working in a group of traders who does private portfolio management, and now in our project, I'm responsible for crypto and stock markets. I can tell you a lot about myself, but I hope my results will say everything like for me. In this video, I will give you basic of risk management and explain how to follow our alerts in the Discord server. You can find the link for it below in the description. Your goal should be not the nth amount of money trades every day, but stable, profitable, low risk setups. Only in this way you can become consistent and profitable. So don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn notification on. And now let's talk about how to follow our trades like from the Discord channel. Let's get couple trades like from our Discord. Here, let's start with crypto. Here you can find like trade like on ADA. It's like you can see like token. Then it's a trade type. It can be long or like short position. Entry zone, we message entry zone an average because in a time when we send alert, price can like change a bit, but we always try to write a range or average price to entry. Then it's a sell zone. It can be like one sell zone, it can be like 2, 3, 4, like etc. It's all like depends on how many takes we're planning to do on specific trade. In this case, it's like short trade, and I'm planning to take only like one on the first trouble area. Then stop loss. We always set like stop loss. We never open trade without stop loss. Leverage. We don't provide leverage because you can use any leverage you want. It affects only your position size, and I will explain about it a bit later. Then risk, amount of risk you can lose on this trade. We highly recommend to follow our risk percentage so you can avoid major losses. Next, it's like position size. In this case, 56%. This is like percent of money from your portfolio you use per trade, calculated by dividing your risk on percent of stop limit on the chart. So here we have 0.88% stop limit on the chart, and we're risking 0.5%. So we're gonna take like 0.5% divided by 0.88%, and this is like what we get, like 0.56. Now we multiply it by 100%, and this is like our percentage. Percent amount from our account that we're gonna use with x1 leverage. If you want to use like for example x10 leverage, you're gonna put 5.6% on this specific trade. If you want to use leverage, you should understand that this is affect only your margin size and position size. Let's say you have $1,000 in account and you want to put 30% position size on the trade, which is $300. You can put $300 with x1 leverage, or $30 with x10 leverage, or $1 with 100 leverage, and etc. etc. The difference will be only in commission to pay to the broker. Sometimes you can use leverage to avoid risk of liquidation on entire account if you stopped, slipped, or like didn't work due to technical issues, and you can use 10-20% of your portfolio on the main account and keep the rest separated on another account. There are many tactics that what you can do to avoid that. More about it in our private course that we will have later this year. Now let's look at Forex section. So in the Forex section, let's find some trade. Yeah, so for example, this trade on Australian dollar, it's like type long, entry zone, sell zone, stop loss as always, like leverage. Leverage like on Forex is a bit different. It can be x100, x like 200, etc. Then like position size, same 50%. We're always providing like a screenshot with a TA, and also you can ask us like any question in like trading chat or like general chat. We always will be able to help you. Now let's talk about like stock market. Um, let's let's like find a trade. Yeah, so here we're gonna see like trade on a pep or like Pepsi. It's a trade short entry zone, like sell zone, like stop loss, like leverage. Again, we like specific on a stock calls. We don't use leverage in general. So we will never use position size like more than 100% per trade. Amount of risk like 0.2%. Usually our calls on stock market are very in this like specific case like stop was 0.4%, which is like kind of like small. The difference is for stock market you have to calculate the amount of shares you're gonna buy or like sell, depends on trade type. It's calculated quite simple. For example, you're using like 50% of your portfolio on this trade. Average cost is 1.1.4. So what you're gonna do is just let's say you have like $50,000 on your account. You're gonna use like $25,000. Like you divide by 1.1.4, and this is the amount of shares you're gonna sell because we shorted, right? So also I want to show you like some example what you can achieve just by trading with right risk management, strategy and discipline. I want to show you some example what you can achieve just by trading with risk management, strategy and discipline. Initial data, capital $100,000, number of trades per week 4, vacation period like 1 month, simulation period like 1 year, number of transactions per year, 176, win rate 50%, risk profit 1 to 3, risk 1% per trade, and result, this is like an average. Capital $510,000. So your gain will be $410,000. Result 510%, and your maximum drawdown will be 7%. And this is basic of consistency and low risk trading. Yes, it feels slow, but at the end you will be amazed by what you will see. And you should understand, in trading, your main goal not to make money. Your main goal, save your money, save your capital, and only then you make money. And you should understand that in a trading, main goal is save your capital and not to lose money. And secondly is make money. This is like what most of the traders and people don't understand. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and hit subscribe button, and check out our Discord below in the description and our socials for all updates and content. See ya.